Switzerland invests over 5% of its GDP in education and more than 3% in research and development, which is reflected in its thriving innovation landscape, with numerous companies producing everything from robots to car accessories. One such innovation is the XRAC system, also developed in Switzerland. This system allows standard pickup trucks to transport debris or construction machinery with a maximum load capacity of 1.2 tons, supported by a durable welded S355 steel frame. Drivers can easily load and unload using a remote control, and an emergency stop feature is included for safety. The XRAC is compatible with trucks like the Ford Ranger and Toyota Hilux, and thanks to its modular design, the vehicle can be adapted for various tasks by swapping the waste hopper with a loading platform. In October 2023, Ford sold more than 730,000 F-Series trucks globally, adding to the countless pickups already on the road worldwide. For owners looking to unlock their truck's full potential, a range of upgrades are available. One such option is a system that transforms your vehicle into a dump truck, allowing you to haul up to 1.8 tons of bulk goods like sand, dirt, and crushed stone, all for $1,700. Manufactured by the Pierce Company, this system offers a significant advantage over competitors as it retains the original appearance of your truck while meeting the high manufacturing standards of the U.S. National Truck Equipment Association. Imagine a pickup truck arrives at a site, fully loaded with materials, but there's no equipment available to help unload. That's where Viper Lift Truck steps in. They provide a solution that eliminates the need for waiting or risking strain. These lifts are incredibly easy to install. Just attach them to your tow hitch, with no modifications required. They ensure safe loading and unloading, even on uneven ground. For example, the V1000 model can carry up to 340 kilograms and is even compatible with pallets. The Swiss company Black Sheep provides innovative solutions reminiscent of the popular show Pimp My Ride. One such example is their custom storage systems, which cleverly utilize the often overlooked space behind the taillights of certain pickup trucks. This hidden area can securely store items like food, water, sports equipment, fishing rods, and even firearms, all while remaining protected from dust and water. Thanks to its intelligent design, the system ensures that nothing accidentally opens during a drive, and the tail lights continue to function properly. However, the only downside is the cost. Black Sheep's system for the Toyota Hilux comes in at a hefty $3,700. Ford has introduced its latest Ranger, claiming it to be the most versatile pickup ever, often likened to a Swiss Army knife. A standout feature is the innovative flexible rack system created by Ford's Australian division. Australians, known for their expertise in cargo transport, especially as seen on the show Outback Truckers, have influenced the design. The FRS system, tailored to meet customer needs, includes a roof-mounted rack that can carry up to 80 kilograms of dynamic load and 250 kilograms of static load. Its sliding element makes it easy to transport long items such as boards, ladders, and canoes. The system's popularity has led Ford to apply for a patent. The concept is simple. Take a toolbox, attach a folding ladder, and make it available to those in need. This straightforward formula has proven to be incredibly successful. The version designed for the F-150 pickup truck, priced at $1,100, offers a spacious 280-liter capacity and can carry up to 227 kilograms of cargo. Made from durable molded polymers, the box is both waterproof and easy to clean at the car wash. As for the ladder, DEC chose a reliable 6000 series aluminum alloy for strength and longevity. Here's another clever and highly functional innovation: folding steps for pickup trucks. Many pickups, such as the F-350, can reach nearly 3 meters in height, making tasks like loading and unloading a real challenge, even with the tailgate down. The Easy Hitch Step, with its mini stairs, provides a simple solution. The top-tier model supports up to 136 kilograms and features 38 centimeter wide steps for added comfort. Made from durable steel, these mini stairs come with fasteners and are available for $626. This pickup truck accessory was designed by a skilled American engineer with 3 decades of experience, combines his passion for DIY flying machines and his expertise in aerodynamics. Known as the truck tail, this innovative container helps reduce fuel consumption. When installed on a pickup, it can increase the vehicle's range by about 3 extra kilometers for every 4 liters of fuel. With the truck tail, truck owners can save hundreds of dollars annually on fuel costs. Priced at $60, it's an affordable and practical addition for any driver looking to improve fuel efficiency. Now, let's explore some exciting upgrades for off-road enthusiasts who are passionate about their pickup trucks. In this case, the customer received a custom rack designed to hold to spare tires, along with a unique box supported by for sturdy legs, all easily operated via a remote control. The expert team also integrated a 60-liter water storage system, complete with a pump for convenience. To top it off, they added an air compressor, a powerful 2,600-watt inverter, and a 200 miles per hour battery. With these impressive enhancements, this modified pickup is fully equipped for both work and play. The Tesla CEO Elon Musk has plans to convert the Tesla Cybertruck into an amphibious vehicle, but the necessary modifications come with a significant cost. One potential funding solution is a Tesla kit priced at $2,975, which transforms the Cybertruck into a camper. The tent can be set up in just a few minutes using a pump, and the kit includes poles, an awning, a repair kit, and brackets. When folded, all components fit neatly into the Cybertruck's trunk, and when set up, the tent comfortably accommodates several people. The expert team at SherpTech is committed to enhancing both pickup trucks and the lives of their owners. One of their standout innovations is this truck bed, which is the lightest option on the market, weighing just 136 kilograms. Made with advanced aerospace materials and technology, it's incredibly versatile, capable of transforming your regular truck into a mini motorhome. SherpTech designs custom platforms for pickup trucks of all makes and models, no matter their production year. To help you visualize the upgrade, they provide a 3D model of your vehicle after the modification. You can even request personalized features, such as special sights or integrated solar panels. The only downside is the current waitlist, which stretches all the way to August next year. The Wrecker sales team in Detroit is revolutionizing tow trucks by making them bigger, stronger, more durable, and smarter. Among their offerings is the low loader system, designed to give your tow truck a competitive advantage. Its standout feature, the exceptionally shallow loading angle, the lowest available on the market, which allows even sports cars with low ground clearance to smoothly drive onto the platform. Additionally, the loading angle can be tailored to meet specific customer needs. The standard low loader kit comes equipped with a winch that has a 3.6-ton capacity and a 23-meter long cable, while the platform itself can easily support up to 9.5 tons. To top it off, Detroit Wrecker Sales backs all pins and bushings with a lifetime warranty.